In this video, let's look at WordPress and how we can fix an issue where when the element or markup that is added through a function shows at the top part of the page instead of the area that you specified. Here inside the Elementor page builder edit screen, I have added a shortcode that outputs a button below this text group. When you preview it, it shows at the top. Let's look at the code function. So the markup is echoed inside it. Let's fix the issue by turning on buffering. First, let's not use echo and make it so it's not inside the PHP. Place the OB start function above the markup. Then add a return OB get clean function. If you are using Elementor or any builder, make sure to always use the shortcode element from the builder instead of a raw HTML element.